And thank you very much to both of you, Coach Lezak and Mr. Maki Mazeda. Good evening, racing fans. We're on race number 1, a Star Bar winner take all event. Final call now for your bets. Last call to place your bets. Buy your data now, finally back, set, ready for racing. Race number 1. Racing just is started. We have Conquista Boy. Break quickly restarts ang daan. Rushing upon the outside. Cheerleader Symphony is also there. Then followed by Mr. Dynamite. Heart Summer comes next. Magnolia's Classic. Then next online is Bayou Data. Magalang Seeing Lorky. Dancing Rags Racing second less. While Queen of Class is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch. We have Sangang Daan on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Right behind in second is Cheerleader Symphony. Now moving up to take third, and in fourth comes Mr. Dynamite. Moving up now on the outside is Heart Summer. Next online is Conquista Boy. Seeing Lorky comes next. Magnolia's Classic. Moving up on the outside is Bayou Data. Magalang comes next. Queen of Class, while Dancing Rags now racing in last, and Diana entering the home stretch. Sangang Daan by about half length. Symphony now about to throw the challenge now on the outside as they swing for Sangang Daan. Moving up Symphony, Heart Summer, Seeing Lorky moving up now on the outside, and I'm saying it's my turn to take the lead, and finally Seeing Lorky, Symphony, then comes Heart Summer, Sangang Daan, Cheerleader, and Conquista Boy. Super 6.
Número 9.